how are you all? So after such a long time I am making this video. After a long gap I have started again making videos. Till now I was working on shorts and I have solved many questions in shorts, but I have not explained. I have just done those solutions in shorts. So in my coming videos I am going to explain all those questions. So hope you all will understand, and if you really liking my videos, then do and please support me by subscribing to the channel and liking the videos and sharing them. It will be very much helpful to me in growing my channel. So let's begin. So today I'm here with this question, and this question is of class 5 and it is from R.D. Sharma. Okay. So the question says that if x is equal to cube root of 28 and y is the cube root of 27, okay, then we have to find the value of x plus y minus 1 upon x squared plus xy plus y squared. So we have to find the value of this, and we are given the value of x and y. Okay, so let's begin. So we are having x plus y minus 1 upon x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply x minus y in the numerator and the denominator of this fraction. Okay, so it will be x plus y minus 1 into x minus y upon x minus y x squared plus xy plus y squared. And we very well know that x minus y multiplied x squared plus xy plus y squared is the expansion of x cube minus y cube. Okay, so in order to bring it in a generalized form, we have multiplied x minus y in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so now in place of this x minus y multiplied by x square plus xy plus y square, I am writing the identity as well. So it can be written as x cube minus y cube. Okay, as I was out of space, so I am writing it here again. Okay, so now in place of this we can write x cube minus y. So it will be x plus y minus x cube, here x minus y, and here it will be x cube minus y. Okay, now we are having the value of x is equal to root of 28. Okay, so that will be equal to, on taking cube on both the side, we will get x cube is equal to 28. Okay, I'll show you how you got it. Okay, so like on cubing on both the side, we will get x cube, and here it is cube root, so it is written as 1 by 3, and we are cubing on both the sides, so it will be 3, and this will get cancelled, and we will get x cube as 28, and likewise we will get y cube as 27, as it is given that y is equal to cube root of 27. So y cube will be equal to 27. So on substituting the value of x and y here in the denominator. Okay. substituting the value of x cube and y. So we will get x plus 1 minus x minus y upon x cube is 28 and y cube is 27. So we will get 28 minus 27. That will be equal to x minus y minus x minus y upon 1. Okay. So we got the denominator as 1. So now we will have x plus y minus. We will open this bracket and we will get it. This is minus 1 and minus 1 is plus. So this minus x and this x will get cancelled and we will get y plus y. We were having y as the cube root of 27, isn't it? So y is can be written as the cube of 3. 27 can be written as the cube of 3. So we will get y 3 into 1 by 3 and we will get the value of y as 3 here. So we will substitute the value y is equal to 3 in this and 2 3s are 6. So the value of x plus y minus 1 upon x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 6. So I hope you all understood and find this explanation beneficial for you, useful for you. So kindly like the video, share as much as possible and please help me to grow my channel, and that you can do by subscribing to the channel. I will be very much thankful and helpful and very much it will be a very kind act will be from your side if you are going to subscribe to the channel and like my video and share it as much as possible if you find this explanation beneficial and useful to you. Thank you.